Hello, hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I still have in my possession from the week. Today's Saturday Showcase kicks off the new year, so I have projects from the 1st through the 5th of January. I do actually have everything that I have created still. I didn't send anything out yet, so that's rare. I don't always have a video up for every project, but you can find everything on my blog. I always blog it, just might not always do a video. And the links are in the description box below. Okay, so let's get started. To start off with, I have the I Love the 80s Memory Decks card, and Gag Me with a Spoon, Gnarly, Totally, Where's the Beef, Rad. I just think it turned out so fun, and I'm so excited to add it to my collection. I see that Alyssa was trying to stop by there. Next up was my fun announcement that I'm back on the sheet load team, and there are all 9 of my cards. I think that they turned out so pretty and so cute, and I'm excited to be back on the team. And then next I had my cards for Kendra's Card Challenge 13, Sketch 7, and Sketch 8. Again, I'm excited to be on that team. Gosh, every time I see the foil, I just love it so much. I have plans to work with more foil this year. We'll see how that goes. So there's that. And then Thursday, I had this fun Memory Decks card. You're the Queen for the Day. Everything's from Scrappy Boy Stamps. And if you didn't see my community tab, I'm also super, super excited to announce that I am now a team member on Scrappy Boy Stamps. I am obsessed with their products, so I can't wait to share all things Scrappy Boy with you. And then last but not least, I have another Scrappy Boy Stamps card. This is the 70s Family Girls and 70s Family Boys, and the paper is from there, and even this die, it's the 70s Family die. I thought it was so fun. Things kind of went awry with this card, but I think in the end it turned out okay. Wish I had moved the sentiment down so you could see it a little bit better, but you're the grooviest, and there's the inside of that one. So there was a super fun card to create. And again, I'm just feel so blessed that I have so many blessings in my life right now. So many teams have graciously wanted me on their team, and I just am excited to work with all of them. So there are my creations for the week, and until my next video, can't even get them all in here, goodness. Until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty, and I'll see you soon. Bye.